Okay. So welcome all of you to the 10th session of Listen and Learn webinar series. So today we have Dr. Kasturi. She'll be talking to us regarding the importance of breast milk and breastfeeding. So Dr. Kasturi is a consultant at AVP Ottapalam. So welcome Dr. Kasturi, and over to you.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Kasturi. Hello. Good afternoon. I am Dr. Kasturi. My topic is breastfeeding and its importance. Breast milk is a natural perfect nourishment for babies. Due to the advantages of breastfeeding and the excess risk of poor maternal and child health outcomes associated with not breastfeeding, every major health organization recognizes breastfeeding as the physiological norm and the standard of infant feeding. What is breastfeeding? Breastfeeding is the feeding a neonate or infant with breast milk directly from female human breast, not from a baby bottle or other containers. Next is physiology of breastfeeding. Breast consists of various glands, lactiferous sinus, that make milk, which goes along milk duct towards the nipple. When baby suckles, to stimulate the nerve endings, and this message is carried to the anterior pituitary, which synthesis prolactin. Prolactin stimulate gland cells to stimulate milk production. Oxytocin is released from posterior pituitary, which help in contracting the muscle cells around the alveoli, resulting in milk ejection from the nipple. Next is, what are the factors which enhance this prolactin production? There are 4 factors which enhance the prolactin production. First one is how early the baby is put into the breast, how often and how long baby feed at the breast, how well the baby is attached to the breast, and complete emptying of the breast. These are the 4 factors which enhance the prolactin production. Next is characteristics of good quality breast milk. The good quality breast milk mixes completely in water, forming a homogeneous mixture, which does not have any dosha vitiation, and it's ideal for the baby. The feeding. Feeding is of 2 types. First one is bottle feeding, then breastfeeding. Breastfeeding, when mother is breastfeeding, they must be monitor everything she eat because it affect the baby. Next is 10 things to boost the quality of breast milk. First one is eat more food. Why we say eat more foods? Because for breast milk production, we use 500 extra calories for breast milk production. So eat more food, drink more water. Next is spread out your meals. What is mean by spread out your meals? Eat 3 main meals during the day with a snacks in between, including a snacks after dinner to support your nighttime feeds. Limit your caffeine intake. The caffeine make the baby's sleep disturb. So limit your caffeine intake. Be moderately active. Vary your fruits and vegetable. Go for good fats. Look for quality in protein. Opt for food like lean red meat, legumes, etc., fish, etc. In calcium and iron intake is very much essential because iron content is very much low in breast milk. So it is needed to produce red blood cells and support immunity. So iron-rich food also taken by the feeding mother. Next is formula milk. It is created in a lab and in most cases it is commercially altered cow's milk. different brands are available, but it have different type of formula and lead to confusion or mistake in preparation, cause contamination, and this also putting your baby health at risk. The formula does not contain same antibodies found in the breast. There are substances added to the formula to help protect babies from illness, but these are not as easily absorbed by baby as breast milk and do not offer the same kind of protection in that of breast milk. In formula milk, it contains higher concentration of vitamins and minerals in the formula, but it is more difficult to digest by baby, and this is also a factor for baby become ill. Next is type of breast. According to WHO study in 2030, they found that formula for babies got a lower IQ than the breastfeed babies. Next is type of breast milk: colostrum, transitional milk, mature milk, preterm milk, fore milk, hind milk. These are the 6 type of breast milk found. The first one is colostrum. The milk secreted during the first week after delivery. The first milk of coming after delivery is colostrum. It is yellow, thick, has more antibodies and WBCs. It secretes in small quantity, higher protein, so it's never be discarded. Next is transitional milk. It secretes during 2 weeks. It contains immunoglobulin, low protein content, and increased fat and sugar content. Next is mature milk. It follows the transitional milk, small, thinner, and watery, contains all essential nutrients for growth of the baby. Next is preterm milk. Is the milk of a mother who delivers prematurely. High quantity of protein, sodium, iron, and immunoglobulin are present in the preterm milk. Next is fore milk. Milk secreted at the start of the feed, which rich in protein, sugar, vitamins, minerals, and water. It satisfies the baby's thirst. Next is hind milk. Hind milk comes later towards the end of the feed. It contains rich of fat contents and it provides more energy and it satisfies the baby's hunger. He or she need both fore and hind milk. Baby be allowed to empty one breast fully first. When baby receive only fore milk when cry excessively. This is a chart given in the difference of fat in different milk. Here, human and cows is illustrated. The human milk, it contains essential fatty acid, enzyme, lipase. In cows, it do not contain this type of fat. This is another chart given. It is the nutrition in human and animal milk. Here illustrated human milk, cow and goat milk. In human milk, lactose amount is much more than cow's milk and goat's milk. This is a picture showing breastfeeding positions. First position is cradle hold. This is the most common position used by mothers. Infant head is supported in the elbow. The back and buttocks is supported by the arm and lifted to the breast. Second is cross cradle hold position. This is ideal for early breastfeeding. Mother hold the baby crosswise in a crook of the arm. Opposite to the breast, the infant is to be fed. The baby's trunk and head are supported with the forearm and palm. The other hand is placed beneath the breast in a U shape to guide the baby's mouth to your breast. Australian hold position. This is also called saddle position, usually used for older infants, not commonly used by mothers. It is best used in older infant with runny and ear infection. Next position is football hold position. The infant is placed under the arm like holding a football. Like holding a football. The baby body is supported with the forearm and the head is supported with the hand. This is a good position after operative procedure. This is a picture of twin football hold. This is as same as football hold, but is better for feeding the twin babies. This is side lying position. The mother lies on her side, propping up her head and shoulder with pillows. The infant is also lying down, facing the mother. Good position after cesarean section. Allow the new mother some rest. Most mothers are scared of crushing the baby. Next is, what are the factors which act as a barrier for the breastfeeding? Less skin to skin contact, less eye contact. Main barrier is the bottle feeding. In bottle feeding, the hormonal connection between the mother and babies cannot be experienced. What are the contraindication of breastfeeding? In which condition the breastfeeding is not done by the mother? That is HIV, HLTV1 and 2 infections, active tuberculosis, herpes lesion or ulcers on the mother's breast, infant with inborn error of metabolism, mothers on certain medication like anti-cancer therapy, radioactive therapy, etc. Next is, what are the benefit for infant? That is colostrum. It has a laxative effect. It helps to pass first poo of meconium. The composition of breast milk changes with the time according to the need of the infant and is easier to digest, especially for premature baby. Primary protection from disease. Growth factor present stimulate the development of the GIT. Development of the hormone present are important of development of the child. Also, it's cover against infection. How it's cover against infection? It has an anti-infective factors like immunoglobulin, lactoferrin, lysosome, and T and B lymphocytes and antivirals. So it's cover against the infection. How long to breastfeed? In newborn, nurse for 5 to 10 minutes in every 2 to 3 hours. But in beginning, there is only small amount of colostrum, and there is so be ready to feed often, but for short duration. On 1 month or more babies, the baby gets older, so their stomach will get larger. So that means nurse less frequently, but for a long duration. The example, 20 to 40 minutes per breast every 3 to 4 hours. By 6 months, baby may breastfeed for 20 to 40 minutes per breast, 3 to 5 times per day. Next is a flowchart for protection against infection. That means when mother get infected, how it protect the baby. When breastfeed, the mother is infected, WBC in mother's body make antibody to protect the mother. This some WBC go to the breast and make antibodies there. This antibody to mother infection secreted in milk to protect baby. How the storage of breast milk, if wanted, how it's stored. Human milk can be stored in room temperature for 3 to 8 hours. Express milk can be used in an insulated cooler bag with ice pack for 24 hours. Breast milk can be stored in the refrigerator for about 5 days at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also kept in freezer compartment of a fridge for up to 2 weeks at 0 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be stored in deep freezer for about 3 to 12 months. Next is signs of effective sucking and ineffective sucking. In effective sucking, infant takes several slow, deep sucks followed by swallowing and then pauses. In ineffective sucking, the infant suckles for a short time but tries out and is unable to continue for long enough. This is a picture for good attachment and poor attachment. Next is signs of good attachment. More areola is visible above the baby's mouth than below it. Baby mouth is wide open. Baby's lower lip is turned outwards. Baby chin is touching the breast. And how to help the baby for proper attachment? Express the little milk to her nipple. Touch the baby's lip with her nipple. Wait until the baby's mouth is open wide and the tongue is down and forward. Move the baby quickly onto her breast, aiming the nipple towards the baby palate and his lower lip well below the nipple. What are the reasons for vitiation of breast milk? Consuming food when person is suffering from indigestion, unwholesome food, that is a wrong food combination, improper food intake, take food when person is not hungry, incompatible food, heavy food intake, daily sleep, alcohol intake, and injury. These all are the causes of vitiation of breast milk. Next is a home remedies for increased breast milk. Take some uluva and pachari, soak for 3 to 4 hours, grind it well, then cook it with the required water, and after cooking, add some jaggery and again boil and made it into a suitable consistency. This is very good remedy for increasing breast milk. Conclusion is breast milk is ideal for baby's growth, development, and it provides defense against disease and infection. Breast milk feeding helps to create a family bonding and bonding between mother and child. So breastfeeding is better than bottle feeding and other sources of food. Thank you.
Hello, sorry. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Kasturi. It was a very nice session.
Welcome.
Okay, so now we'll have certain questions. Okay.
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 So there is a question. പണ്ട് കാലത്ത് എല്ലാം 28 കഴിഞ്ഞ് ബേബീസിന് സോളിഡ് ഫുഡ് കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോഴും അങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുവരുന്നു. ബേബീസിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ ഹെൽത്ത് എഫക്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കും?
ആക്ച്വലി നമ്മൾ പറയണത് എങ്ങനെയാ പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ വരെ, അതായത് നമ്മൾ ക്ഷീരബൻ, അതായത് പാല് മാത്രം കൊടുക്കാനാണ് പറയുന്നത്. കാരണം അവരുടെ ഡൈജസ്റ്റീവ് സിസ്റ്റം ഒന്നും അത്രത്തോളം ഇതായിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല, അവർക്ക് ദഹിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു ഇതുണ്ടാവില്ല. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ പാലുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാക്സിമം മറ്റു ഫുഡ്സ് കൊടുക്കാതിരിക്കുക തന്നെയാണ് നല്ലതെന്നാണ് എൻ്റെ ഒരു അഭിപ്രായം.
ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു ഡോക്ടർ. വയമ്പ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത് നല്ലതാണോ?
വയമ്പ് നമുക്ക് എന്താ പറയാ, ഒരു ആന്റി മൈക്രോബിയൽ എന്നുള്ള ഒരു എഫക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് വയമ്പ് കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതും മിനിമം ഒരുപാട് ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി അല്ല, നമ്മൾ ഒരമരുന്ന് പോലെ ഉരച്ച് കൊടുക്കുക. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഇതില് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വളരെ നല്ലതാണ്. കുട്ടിയുടെ സൗണ്ടിനും അതുപോലെ ഒരു മറ്റുള്ള ഇതൊന്നും ഏൽക്കാതിരിക്കാനും ഒക്കെ, അതായത് ഒരു മൈക്രോബിയൽ ഇൻഫെക്ഷൻ വരാതിരിക്കാനും ഒക്കെ നല്ലതാണ്.
Okay, Dr. Kasturi. The thing is, we can't see you.
Wait.
Okay. So the next question, like we have Swarna Bindu Prashana. So, is it good to give like newborn babies? Like, is Swarnabindu Prashana indicated for newborn babies, and what's the effect?
Mm. It is very good for babies. It is very much good.
Okay, so Swarnabindu Prashana is anyways indicated, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, can you explain the importance of colostrum?
The colostrum is a laxative effect. It helps to the babies passing the first poo of meconium. Meconium പോവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എഫക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ കൊളസ്ട്രത്തിൽ ഉള്ള കൊളസ്ട്രം കണ്ടെയ്ൻ സർട്ടൺ ആന്റി ഇൻഫെക്റ്റീവ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മോർ പ്രോട്ടീൻ കണ്ടന്റ് ദാൻ അതർ കൈൻഡ്സ് ഓഫ് മിൽക്ക്. So it first colostrum given to the child more act against the infection. Its name as natural vaccination.
Okay, doctor. So, up to what age one must feed the baby? Like breastfeed the baby?
What age?
Like up to what age? Baby ക്ക് എത്ര പ്രായം വരെ like breastfeed ചെയ്യും?
Breastfeeding almost 3 years വരെയെങ്കിലും മിനിമം ഷീ ഫീഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ബ്രസ്റ്റ് ഫീഡിങ് ക്ഷീരപൻ അതായത് പാല് മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. പിന്നെ ഫസ്റ്റ് സെക്കൻഡ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ബോത്ത് മിൽക്ക് ആൻഡ് സം സോളിഡ് ഫുഡ്. ക്ഷീര അന്നാഥൻ അതായത് പാലും ഫുഡും കൂടെ കൊടുക്കുക.
Okay. Is it good to store milk inside refrigerator?
It's not good, but it may be done in such situation.
Okay. And what are the things to take care before starting feeding? I think breastfeeding the munne what to take care.
First, first of all, attachment between the baby and mother, that is very much important. That is the first thing of breastfeeding. Next, there is care about this attachment is proper or not. I will tell in slide the signs of attachment, good attachment and bad attachment.
Okay, next question is when to stop breastfeeding? Other you've already told, alle 3 years where.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Kasturi. It was a very nice presentation and a very nice Q&A session. So now I call upon Dr. Sharath for vote of thanks. Dr. Sharath.
Yeah. Is it audible?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Yes.
It's audible. Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Ajula, for the hosting, and thank you, Dr. Kasturi, for the nice presentation. That was nice. Like it was so important nowadays. Yes. there is a lot of misconceptions in like how to breastfeed and at what extent up to be feeded and all those things. It was a nice brief explanation for the 40 minutes, and thank you for the accepting our request as a guest speaker. And thank you, Doctor. Thank you for a part of our team, and thank you, Dr. Sri M.K. Shashidharan Nair, for creating such a space. Thank you, everyone, for participating in this webinar. Thank you.